Today I'm going to share with y'all how we grow fenugreek sprouts using our sprout jar kit at home, so stay tuned for the video. I start this grow by first adding 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seed to each jar. Fenugreek, day 2, 24 hours of soaking. Day 3, fenugreek. Day 4, fenugreek. Fenugreek, day 5. Today is day 6 of our fenugreek grow, and I'm going to give these both a rinse real quick. After I give them a rinse, I'm going to move these over near a light source. And once I'm over at the light source, I'm going to remove one of the sleeves from one of the jars. This way it can start to receive light from the light source and green up a bit. Meanwhile, the other one is going to remain in its sleeve. Throughout the day, I'm going to come and rotate my jar so that each side can green up. Today is day 7 for my fenugreek sprouts, and the one jar has been in the light for about 24 hours now. Since the jar is super packed, it is time to harvest. So let's pull these over to my other table. Now I no longer need the stand, so let's put it in the sink. First thing I need to do is prep my station, so let's scoot these aside. And we're gonna take a bowl like this and fill it up with some water so we can open up these jars and start cleaning out all those seed holes. Repeat this process at least 2 more times. I like to refresh my water though. Scoot this one aside and we'll bring the other one back over after we try to shake off as much water as we possibly can. Now that I've drained most of the water, let's take a look at our harvest weights. First, we're going to start with the one that was introduced to light for 1 full day. We got a harvest weight of 196.5 grams. Now let's take a look at the harvest weight for the one that was grown completely in blackout. For that one, we got a harvest weight of 203.7 grams. That's a whole lot of sprouts. Now it's time to store them. For that, I'm going to be using a container like this, and we're going to have a paper towel, but someone gave me the suggestion to put this on top at the end instead of in the bottom like I usually do, and I'm going to do that today because it does sound a lot easier. And now we're going to place the paper towel on top. This way it can absorb any of that extra moisture, because you really want these to remain dry. Okay, now we're going to put the lid on. And we're going to flip this upside down so that the paper towel is at the bottom. From this point forward, I'm going to keep these in my fridge, and I'm going to change out that paper towel at least once daily or as needed.